Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to log out YouTube in iPhone, how to log out your account from YouTube. Open YouTube on your mobile phone, or whether it's an iPhone or Android, open up. Now tap on menu icon located at the bottom. Next tap on settings icon. Tap on account, and from here you will get all of your accounts which are logged in. From here tap on manage account on this device, and from here you can remove any account which you want to remove. You can remove it. Just tap on remove from this device and it will get removed. Please note that this will not only log out of YouTube, but it will also remove the associate Google account from your phone. And so if you want to sign in again to a different YouTube account, tap on the menu icon again and tap on sign in. That's it. Thanks for watching.